Hello, so my name is Agu David Chinonso, and today I'll be showing you how to update your profile on CloudNote. And if you've not created an account on CloudNote, you have to first create an account on CloudNote before you'll be able to update your profile. Now, there are two ways you can update your profile here on CloudNote. The first one is to go through the lobby. So you can update your profile from the lobby, but today I'll be updating my profile from a learning space. Okay, so this is my lobby. I want you to be patient with me. So this is my lobby. So I'm going to be clicking on my learning space. And the next thing I'm going to do is to hit this button at the right corner of my interface. Okay, so that has my name on it. So I'm using Chimereze for example. So I'm going to click on it, the arrow that is pointing down. I'm going to click this button and I'm going to click update profile. You can see an icon there that says update profile. So I'll be clicking update profile, and this is what we have here. So with this now, maybe let's say for example I want to change my picture. I can come here and also change my picture. I can come here and edit the name. Maybe the name was misspelled. I can come here and edit the name, change my date of birth, change my gender, state of origin, my country, and my street and my address. So this is how you update your profile on CloudNote. And when you're done filling up all this information, all you need to do is to click proceed button, and automatically your profile has been updated. So these steps are very easy, these steps are very simple, and don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.